Hello everyone, my name is Swati Kumari and I am a certified SAFE product owner and product manager. Today I am going to give a brief understanding about SAFE and the product owner product manager responsibility within SAFE. So this is a big picture of SAFE, and for lean enterprises there is a large solution, and solution is handled at the solution level, wherein we have solution management and solution architect team. And the solution contributes towards the product management, and it goes inside the product backlog, and that's where product manager plays a huge role. Product manager role is mostly aligned towards customers and design thinking, and also it aligns towards DevOps practices, wherein we believe in continuous exploration, integration and deployment, and the releases happen as per the demand and market events. And within product management organization, we have product backlog, and inside product backlog we have a lot of program increments, and the program increments contribute towards team backlog, and that's where product owner comes into play. So product owner and product manager works very closely so that they can work together for the program increment, and once all the program increments are completed, it goes towards solution, and that's how the solution is launched overall. Now we will talk a little bit about SAFE practices. SAFE core values are below 4 that you can see here. It believes in the quality and program execution and alignments and transparency across the team members. And House of Lean is about leadership that is focused around 4 principles. The first one is respect for people and culture over technology, and the second one is continuous flow and delivery. Then we focus hugely around innovation and relentless improvement that I will talk about later on. And Agile Manifesto focuses around individuals and interactions more than processes and tools, and it believes in developing softwares incrementally, and it believes in providing system demos more than having documentation, and customer collaboration is everything, and responding to change is one thing that the system and team should be ready to adopt at any point of time. Now we will talk about product manager and product owner roles and responsibilities in detail. Product owner is the person who talks to the customer, takes their feedback, understands the market condition, and also takes feedback from the solution backlog. And as per that, product manager prepares their own program backlog. The program backlog has PI planning, PI execution, and it also has system demo and inspect and adapt related activities. During PI planning, product manager meets the product owner and the team members, wherein all the PIs, which are also called as features, are explained, and the capacity planning happens, and the features are groomed. Program objective is established, and once that happens, then it goes towards PI execution, wherein each PI goes to the team backlog, and the product owner divides that into story and works with the Scrum team to do the iteration planning, and daily stand-up happens, iteration review happens, and the backlog refinement happens. So that's how product manager and product owner role is very closely aligned. Then there are team demos, and at the end of each team demo, which happens after each iteration, we have system demo as well. And based on the system demo and the feedback that we receive from the customer, that is aligned towards the team backlog. And that's how we plan for each PI, and we execute them and lead them. Now we'll talk a little bit about how our PI and iterations align towards the solution roadmap. So solution roadmap is usually aligned towards strategic themes, which is nothing but organizations' vision. It could be that we want to reduce 30% of our systems and align them towards our internal software and procedures, using which we can cut down 30% of cost. And for that we have a solution roadmap that could consist of epic, and solution roadmap is usually 1 to 3 years in duration, and epics then contribute towards features that you can see over here as well. And features are each program backlog can consist of 1 or 3 PIs that could be 8 to 12 weeks long, and then team backlog consists of iterations, and each iteration can be 2 weeks long, up to 4 weeks, but on an average it is 2 weeks long. And the features are prioritized based on a mechanism that is called as weighted shortest job first, as you can see over here. And the way we measure shortest job first is that each feature we see the impact of cost of delay. If let's suppose the cost is $3 and the delaying the cost causes us more $3 each day, and another product costs just $1 and the delay costs $1 each day, then the product that costs $3 will have more weightage over the product that costs $1. And that's how we calculate the weighted shortest job first, wherein we decide the cost of delay and the duration and divide that to calculate this value. And based on weighted shortest job first, during PI planning, we shortlist the top 10 or top 5 features that should be delivered first, and that's how we decide on the features planning. Now, we talked about innovation as one of the Lean Agile principle. So Lean Agile principle says that 25% of our time should be dedicated towards innovation, wherein each program backlog should at least have one program iteration that should be focused around innovation. The innovation can start at the team level based on the customer feedback or developers thinking, or it could also come from the outside market, such as vendors and competitors. And the innovations can be executed either at the portfolio and solution level, or it can be driven at the team and program level as well. However, we should not combine innovation as the backlog items. The backlogs that we were not able to deliver should not be added in the innovation. Some of the innovations that companies have, tools for innovation that companies have, are activities such as hackathon, vendor and customer meetings and workshops, learning mechanisms, and etc. And the last part of program backlog is about inspect and adapt, wherein it is divided into 3 parts. The first one is system demo, wherein we provide a system demo to the customer on a feature basis, and based on the feedback, we also take that as an improvement initiative. And at the end of each system demo, we also measure the features, quantitative measurement that could be based on the business value that we initially assessed when we were planning for feature and the actual values that are delivered, and based on that we do the quantitative measurement. And the third part is about problem solving activity. Somebody has said that a problem, if it is well stated, it is half solved. So that's what Lean Agile believes in, and it is driven by 6 it is driven as a streamline activities followed by 6 steps. The first one is that everyone should agree on the team, everyone within the team should agree on solving the problem. And then we conduct the root cause analysis, where we brainstorm the root cause and ask 5 whys. And after that, the biggest root cause is identified, and it is identified on the basis of Pareto rule, wherein it is said that 20% of people can solve 80% of the problems. So that's what we focus upon. So we focus upon the 80% of the problem that can be solved as 20% rule, and the problem is restated. After that, the solution is brainstormed, and once the solution is brainstormed, it is added as an improvement activity in the backlog item. So this is all about product owner and product manager on a high level. I hope that this video is helpful for you. If you have any feedback or comments, please let me know. I will be there to help you with that. Thank you so much.